So these new tips are great because you can do 2 application methods with 1 tip. You can do the spray and you can do the bead pattern just by turning this barrel. But there's one thing you really got to pay attention to when you're putting these together, because this little plug here, that's designed to keep that O-ring on this tip. Now sometimes what can happen, and you really got to pay attention to this, is you'd naturally think that little lip, you'd think that gasket wants to go right there and seat. That's not how that gasket is designed to be. Where this gasket has to go, has to sit on top of this, right here. If you can see that in the camera, this is very important, because that when you lock that gun, that seals that off. If the gasket is below this, and you seat that in the gun, odds are you're probably not going to get anything out of there. So very, very important that the gasket is seated correctly. Again, the gasket does not seat like this. You really want to pull this up and then push the gasket back down in there. So it kind of creates a closure between this black piece and the clear piece. This is why this plug is here, is to make sure the gasket, because the plug wasn't here in the bag, somebody picks it up, wiggles around, you're going to lose the gasket. This is why this plug is here, to keep the gasket inside. It's a very, very important tip about this.